This video introduces the Intempco MIST line of temperature sensors. The MIST, or Microprocessor Integrated Sensor Transmitter, is a 2-wire 4 to 20 milliamp loop-powered RTD device. It contains an RTD, or resistive temperature device, in one end, so typically here, and a processor and transmitter within the body of the sensor. It converts the temperature measurement from an RTD to a 4 to 20 milliamp current signal, which is scaled appropriately for the calibrated temperature range. In order to use it, you only need to have a meter or controller which can provide a power source, typically 24 volts DC, and the MIST. For our demonstrations, we're going to use this MIST and a separate power supply set to 24 volts with a built-in ammeter. This ammeter reads in milliamps. We hook it up by going from positive to the loop positive input of the MIST, and then the loop negative of the MIST into the negative input of the power supply. All MIST products are calibrated at the factory. They can be recalibrated on site using an optional P-Kit MIST programming interface and software. This particular MIST is calibrated for 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. You can see the temperature of our dry block calibrator. This is an Intempco portable dry block calibrator. We have set for 30 degrees Celsius, and we are getting out roughly 8.8 milliamps, which agrees with what the calculated output should be. Now we're going to change the temperature of the dry block calibrator up to 50 degrees Celsius. And we'll wait for it to stabilize. Now, while it rises to 50 degrees Celsius, I'm going to show you a few other MIST configurations. We have these hygienic MISTs. This is a miniature hygienic connector. Sanitary, very nice. We also have more typical, sort of robust industrial forms with NPT compression fittings, that sort of thing. As you can see, the temperature is stabilizing at 50 degrees Celsius, and the MIST is giving us a readout of about 12 milliamps, which agrees with our calibrated range. Now, one important thing to understand is that you cannot use a MIST product in order to give a current of less than 4 milliamps. The MIST uses a processor embedded within the sensor assembly in order to take measurement readings and control the current loop. It needs this 4 milliamps in order to function properly. The advantage of the MIST is that we can reduce the interference in the measurement to the minimum possible by having the measurement processor as close as possible to the location of measurement, so to the RTD. The processor then uses the current loop to transmit this measurement data.